Hey guys, Steve from Resale Dojo back, and today I'm going to show you guys how to take pictures cheaply and very quickly of DVDs so you can list them onto eBay.
This is my intro. We're taking pictures today. Oh, yeah.
Now, this method is going to cost you probably just a few bucks by getting a piece of poster board from the dollar store. Actually, it should probably be $1, or go to Walmart, maybe it's $2 there. Real cheap, just get a nice plain flat white one. And then all you need is your cell phone. So you don't need to buy any special cameras or anything. You don't even need special lighting for this. Just make sure you have some natural lighting coming into your house, or just use white lights that you have around your house to give yourself some lighting. So let me show you guys how to quickly do some pictures. Now for the first step of taking pictures with eBay, you're going to want to change your settings to square. eBay loves these type of settings when it comes to photographs. It's what Google likes for searches. You don't have to then do any editing to it. It looks very nice and professional on their website when someone's pulling up the listings. Now, for me, I take 3 main pictures of DVDs. The first one is going to be the cover. You just want to get it to fill the majority of your square there. Now, the first step that you want to take is to tap on the phone and make it a little bit brighter by swiping your finger up. As you can see, it gets a little brighter on there, and that's going to be your first picture. Then flip it over. Get it centered here for you guys. Flip it over, tap it again, swipe it up. Not too much, you don't want to white it out. And then hit it again. For my last one, I always like to take a picture of the inside. Now, if there was any cover art or inside art, I would take a picture of those inserts of it. But the main thing is to now take a picture right here. Not too bright. There's a little bit brighter, and that'll be perfect. So you really just want to be able to show all 3 of those made pictures when you're doing it. If you're doing a set, you're going to show multiple DVDs in that set to let the buyer know that you have all the discs in there. So if you can take more pictures, do, especially if you have more discs. If you're doing a box set, you're going to want to take more pictures of that box set, maybe of the sides. You can always take some different angles if you want. If you want to show the edges there, you could do all those type of things as well. But really, you just want, if you could get those three key pictures, you're gonna be great on eBay. You won't have to worry about doing any editing since you already put it in square mode and you made it brighter. It may offer you some brightness adjustments on there, and cropping out some of the darkness and shadows on there. If the picture looks better from what eBay recommends it gives you, go ahead and use their autocorrect of the pictures, but otherwise you should be fine. Thank you guys for joining me for this quick tutorial on how to take pictures of your DVDs to sell on eBay. If you like this, leave a thumbs up. Maybe hit that like button, subscribe to get more content like this. I'm going to be finishing up this tutorial. I have a few more sections of it to show you guys how to make money selling DVDs on eBay. And thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.